everybody, what's going on? It's Emily here at Curbside Herbs. So tonight we have an extra special treat. We're doing yoga and meditation in the garden at nighttime under the stars. It's been a crazy week, so we've been busy harvesting things out of the garden and doing family stuff, so we haven't really had a lot of time to do our yoga and meditation. So tonight we decided that we would do it under the stars in the dark. As you might be able to see, you can see my breath of hair. I'm using my new super cool working light, and we are standing in front of our tomatoes. We just harvested a whole bucket full of them today. You can see here we have some green ones, and we have a whole bunch more down here. These are our cherry tomatoes, and down here we have an orange one. So this is going to be a quick yoga meditation because it's a little chilly out here and it's wet. But anyway, so why don't we get started? I want you to take your hands and raise them up, and we're just going to stretch up as high as we can. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And bring them down. And back up again. And stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And come down. Now I want you to turn to your side and have your right leg down. And we're going to put our hands on the ground and lift our left leg up. You're going to put your hands on the ground. Try to keep your leg as straight as possible. If you have to bend the knee, that's okay. And then lift your leg up as far as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And switch. Left leg down, right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again, switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last one. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I want you guys to come down, hopefully you can see me, onto your bellies. And then we're going to lift ourselves up like we're in the push-up position. And arch our backs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And come down. Deep breath in once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now what I would like you guys to do is still on your bellies, grab your ankles, and push yourself up as far as you can. And deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And release. Deep breath in one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I want you guys to come up. We're going to stand with our legs a little apart. We're going to bring our right arm all the way down and raise our left arm all the way up and stretch over and stretch all here. Arm down, other arm up, and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And come up. Now switch to left arm down, right arm up. 1, 2, 3, stretch. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again, switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time, switch sides. Right arm up, left arm down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I want you guys to come up. And I want you to hold your right leg up and have your left leg flat on the ground. If you're on an uneven surface like me, it's okay if you bobble a little bit. And you can do whatever you want with your hand. You can have it out, you can have it up, you can have it at the side. This is just a balancing technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do the chair position. So we're going to squat down as far as we can. Arms out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And come up. While doing this, try to make sure you have your back as straight as possible. Deep breath in and come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, good job on the yoga. We're going to do a very quick meditation. So you guys can sit down. You can do whatever you prefer. We're going to stand up because the grass here is wet from all of the dew. So, a couple deep breaths in. We're going to do this for a 5 count. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, everybody. Give yourself a round of applause. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Yoga and Meditation in the Garden. We were excited to be able to come out tonight into the garden underneath the beautiful stars with our new working light to be able to do yoga. Again, we did yoga by our corn, and we have some dill over here that's starting to flower, but mostly in front of our tomatoes. These are our cherry tomatoes, and behind the cherry tomatoes we have Roma tomatoes, which are good for sauce and salsa. And then we have some beefsteak tomatoes, which are the great big tomatoes. So we have a whole variety of tomatoes. Again, thank you for joining us for Yoga and Meditation in the Garden, and stay tuned to see where we'll be next.